We are hearing more talk that the big banks in this country need competition. There's an op-ed in the Globe today warning that the banks have a stranglehold on the investment business and capital raising environment in this country. So let's talk to the fintech provider Wealthsimple. It's launching some products that Wealthsimple says are aimed to match the realities of how Canadians spend, save and borrow, includes a new credit card. And the Wealthsimple says in part this is to offer Canadians an alternative to the big banks and better service in some cases. We're joined now by Teshima, Chief Commercial Officer at Wealthsimple. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me here today.
So part of your goal here is to offer competition to the big banks.
Absolutely. We believe competition is only better for Canadians in building better products, services, and lower fees. So that's what we're hoping for.
So tell us about this new Visa credit card. You say it offers zero fees, for example.
It's actually our most requested product from our clients. It's a 2% cashback on all categories, no limits, no FX, and no fee when you have over $100,000 investments with us.
You have to have more than 100K in your Wealthsimple account.
Yeah, or direct deposit your paycheck with us.
Okay, or if you direct deposit your paycheck, and there's no dollar limit there.
It's a $4,000 direct deposit limit.
Okay, it needs to be a minimum of that per month.
That's right.
Right, okay. So, I mean, it will charge big interest rates like any credit card. If you don't pay off by the due date, you're looking at a rate of 20.99% for purchases. But if you pay by the due date, it's interest-free credit.
That's right. There's no interest if you pay by the due date. And not only that, we've really built the product and experience to make sure you do pay on time. Many warnings, many indicators that you should make sure you pay that balance off.
Well, that's interesting because financial experts will say that's number one. Don't pay interest on your credit cards.
Absolutely. I think the whole purpose that we're coming into the world of banking is to really make sure that you have low fees, high limits, and that you can actually save the money that you need for your retirement.
And you've got a line of credit coming out. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, the line of credit is something that I'm super excited about. It's an instant line of credit. We use your assets to assess how much you can take, and then we give you a very, very low interest rate of 4.45%.
Right. How do you feel that the credit card you're offering differs from the bank products?
I think the first thing is that it's 2% cash back on all categories. A lot of the other credit cards, or in fact, a lot of our clients traditionally may have 3 or 4 different cards, one for gas, one for restaurants. Mm-hmm. And so this is just a simpler way to spend your money and get money back. 2% across the board on all categories.
What about the line of credit? Is there anything distinctive about that?
The thing that's great about line of credit is it's instantly available. So you can just go in our app, click, choose the amount you want based on what's available, based on the investments you have, and it'll automatically get moved into your checking account. So you only need to use it when you have a big purchase you want, or you can even use it for overdraft protection against your checking.
You say that a lot of Canadians feel they're charged hidden fees, or there isn't full disclosure of fees by the big banks?
Well, yes. In fact, there was a study or an article written by North Economics where they said that Canadians pay $8.5 billion more a year than our counterparts in the UK in banking fees. It's an astronomical number.
And people just don't realize what fees they're paying in some cases.
That's right. They just don't realize it, or they're just used to it. And so what we're trying to do is provide some impetus for innovation, competition in the banking world. So no fees on a checking account and no limits.
Can you give us an idea roughly how many customers Wealthsimple has now?
So we have over 3 million customers, and today 1 in 4 use our Wealthsimple checking account.
Oh, okay. And so 3 million customers across the country. Are you in every province?
Yes, that's right. We're across the country in every province. And today, we're really growing real rapidly across all of our products.
And remind us on crypto. I know Wealthsimple has been interested in crypto in the past. Have you scaled back that, or is it still a big part of your offering?
We continue to invest in crypto. We think it is a very interesting technology. Our clients continue to want to use crypto for investing in other means. And so we'll continue to invest in that as it makes sense based on our clients' needs.
Do you actually offer crypto accounts, though, at Wealthsimple?
Yeah, you can open a crypto account and you can buy different crypto coins. We are regulated, though, a regulated crypto entity in Canada.
Right. So explain what that means. There are some players that are not.
I'm unsure which players are or not, but we were the first to become regulated. We work very closely with our regulators to make sure that we have the right rules, oversight, so that it is a great way if you're interested in investing in crypto.
Now, one of your backers at Wealthsimple is the Desmarais family via Power Corporation. What is the plan? Do you think you'll do I know that has to go to the board, etc. But do you think you'll do an IPO down the road? I know it's difficult for you to speculate.
I mean, I don't know our plans for the IPO, but I'll tell you that we are rapidly growing, we're profitable, and we're very, very excited about what we're doing in the roadmap for our clients. And so that's where we're really focused.
And what about, are people coming to you from the big banks? Have you found that?
Absolutely, people are coming to us from the big banks, whether it's for the investing or banking. I mean, most of the clients today in Canada are with one of the big banks. And so that's where we're seeing a lot of our traction in terms of growth.
Paul, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Paul Teshima is Chief Commercial Officer at Wealthsimple.